Thank you, Simon. Team manager of the Reggae Boyz, Roy Simpson, says he has not received any travel restriction notice from the Spanish Football Association regarding their upcoming friendly against Catalonia in March. The Spanish region of Catalonia has 6 confirmed cases of the COVID-19 coronavirus, but Simpson says there are still plans to play the match on March 30.
We continue to monitor the spread of the coronavirus. We're aware of the first case identified in Catalonia, where we'll be playing the game next month. We have not been advised of any travel restrictions there. We continue to monitor that situation, and if we get advised that it is unsafe to travel, we will have to yield to that. But as we speak now, all plans are still in place for our travel to the UK and to Spain mid next month.
Prior to that encounter, the Reggae Boyz will entertain Bermuda in a friendly international on March 11 at the Montego Bay Sports Complex. The pair of friendlies are being used in preparation for the upcoming 2022 FIFA World Cup qualifiers, which are slated to kick off on August 31 for the CONCACAF, that's the CONCACAF region.